An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 hit Japan's Hokkaido island on Saturday. So far, local authorities have not issued any tsunami warning. According to Japan's National Research Institute for Earth Science and Disaster Resilience, the quake struck the Nemuro peninsula in the northern island at a depth of 61 kilometers. Notably, panic gripped the area after the quake. However, no casualties or collateral damage was reported due to the earthquake. The tremors were mainly felt in the eastern part of the island at around 10:27 p.m. local time. The quake also northeastern region of the country. Japan is an earthquake-prone country. It is situated in an area where several continental and oceanic plates meet. It causes frequent earthquakes in the country. Earlier on February 6 this year, a massive earthquake of 7.8 magnitude struck Turkey and Syria. Over 50,000 people died due to the earthquake. Notably, within 24 hours of the massive earthquake, two powerful earthquakes of magnitude 7.6 and 6 also struck Turkey.